Hey guys, welcome to my stock market update. Today I'm going to talk about, just the stock market in general, all my holdings, stock market stuff. Before I begin, I want to talk about like I said, every week, every episode I would talk about some kind of show, and today's show I want to talk about is Death Note. Death Note is one of my favorite animes of all time. If I had to put it in a rank of one of my favorite shows of all time, it'd probably be number 4. So this will be my 4th favorite show of all time. It's really good. It's like basically a chess game between super smart people, and they're trying to take each other down. This one guy obtains a note that every time he writes somebody's name down, they die. And depending on what he writes down, they could die of anything. Like, let's say, oh, I got ran over by a train. So he just writes down this guy gets run over by a train. The guy would, like, basically walk onto the train track and get run over by a train. So whatever he writes down happens, as long as it's realistic and it's not like, oh, this guy's gonna get eaten by sharks and there's no sharks around. So yeah, as long as it's realistic, it'll happen. So yeah, Death Note, definitely a show that I recommend watching. They made an English version one. It's a movie. It's not that good, but still a little bit enjoyable. I watched it, but the anime is so much better. Okay, so now actual stock market news. So Tgod raised $25 million bot deal for. I'm surprised they raised more money, but then again, it's kind of smart of them because they used the advantage of the increase in price to raise even more money. They didn't even sell that much shares. They only sold like 4 million shares, which is not that bad at a price of $6.40 for $25 million. And they're planning to use that to fund investments of international expansion opportunities. I can't wait to see what this company announces in the coming months about the international expansion opportunities. I'm very interested in it. Today, Tgod, which every time somebody raises some money, the stock drops dramatically. Today it dropped not dramatically, but today it dropped like roughly 5%, $6.69. I guess I do have a strategy in mind when I want to buy it. I just don't want to let you guys know because it might not happen, because I have a feeling that a lot of rich people watch my show too. So if I review my strategy, it might not happen. But I do definitely plan to add more to Tgod. I do believe in this company, and I believe that this company deserves at least a $1.5 billion market cap. In the short term, in the long term, I have no idea, because all of the cannabis companies are kind of in a bubble. But as long as this company generates good revenues, good profits, I think it should be fine in the long run. Next thing I want to talk about is Aurora Cannabis. Nothing happened today, and the stock popped 22 cents. Well, I just updated 25 cents. It had a big spike in the morning. There's absolutely no news on Aurora Cannabis, and yet there was a bunch of good videos last night I was watching on Aurora. One, the Las Vegas show, and then there was another one on an interview of Twitch. Is it Twitch? Yeah, I believe it's Twitch. It was like a live interview. The guy seems to be very connected with Aurora, especially with Terry Booth, and he was interviewing Cam Batley. It was a really long interview. It was like 55 minutes long. I guess I could show you guys. Like, it's in my, I don't exactly know the website, but I'll show you guys. I posted it on my Aurora / Namaste fan page. So this one right here is a live stream between Equity Guru. This was a very good interview between Cam Batley and this guy. I don't know his name, but he also talked with Terry Booth too, and yeah, it was a very interesting interview. I enjoyed it very much. Check it out if you guys have some free time. You notice how, like, okay, so Canopy kind of acted the same way as Aurora. It had the same pop, and then it declined, just exactly just like Aurora, kind of a little bit different, but it popped up and then it declined. So it's like acting the same way. See, it's lightly recovering, I think, but this company seems to be super overvalued. $7.8 billion market cap. That's insane in my opinion. Aphria had the same thing too. It popped up and then it declined. All these weed stocks seem to be connected somehow. And there's absolutely no news today for Aphria too, so I kind of want to point out something. Aphria's market cap is slightly above Metroleaf. So even though a lot of people like Aphria more, the market values Metroleaf more. So Metroleaf is $2.6 billion, while Aphria is $2.56 billion. So you guys may say, oh, Aphria is the better company. But the market disagrees with you. The market thinks that Metroleaf is the better investment. So I like Aphria better. I think Aphria is the better investment overall because of the amount of capacity they have, and they can produce extremely low cost cannabis. So this is the reason why I think Aphria is a better company. And the CEO seems to be pretty smart, but also the Metroleaf CEO seems pretty smart too. So I don't know. Just pointing it out that Aphria is cheaper than Metroleaf, at least in market cap, not about share price. And then today, Namaste had a small pop, 4 cents pop. It did almost the same thing as Aurora. It popped up real high and then declined a little bit, and it's stabilizing, so it's slightly off. But yeah, the thing is, there was no news, so I'm just kind of shocked at the price of the stock when there's like absolutely no news on the company that happened, and the stock is like increasing in price. I thought it would decrease in price and give me another buying opportunity, but it's increasing price, and it feels good, but I just scratching my head and wondering what exactly is happening. Maybe they have the sales license, and some of the management knows ahead of time, and somebody knows ahead of time, and that's why the price is slowly increasing. Or I don't know. I don't know what's happening. There's no news, and the stock's rising, so it's good and bad, I guess. And AMD stock. Is there any news today? It doesn't look like any big news that happened today. I think AMD will be hovering around $14 to $15. I said this a while ago. Like, so it'll probably hover between $13 to $14 for a while, because it's still quite a bit away before the next quarter reports. Like, I think in sometime in July or August or something. So that's like another 2 months. So the stock can do anything in 2 months. I highly doubt it will hit $17 within the 2 months and hit its new all-time high. Its previous all-time high was like 1565, and I think I can't even see it on the chart, but I think it hit it somewhere around here. It just doesn't show it on the chart. But according to looking at this, it seems like the all-time high is like right now, but these charts are funny and it's hard to like actually get the precision numbers on it. Okay, so let's see how long I'm at. 10 minutes and 38 seconds. Holy shit. Can't believe all the subjects I want to talk about became a 10-minute video. Anyways, I guess I'll just end this video since 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.